Hello guys, what's up? So our today's tutorial is all about creating our first Java class. So our task will be addition of two numbers, and we will be creating a class and initializing a variable and making an object, and I'll be teaching you guys how you can make object from the class. So without further delay, let's get jump on my Eclipse ID. You can use any ID. I'm using Eclipse ID. It's good for Java developer. I'm writing a comment here which is creating our first class. Now I'm creating my public class. I'm going to name the class like class 1 because it's our first class. Inside our first class, we will be creating our initializing our variables. So I want two variables because we need to add two numbers. So I'm initializing int x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 12. Int is a data type, and now I'm creating one new variable which will be the total of x plus y. So that's it. I'm writing a comment here so that you can easily understand what we are doing in these 3 lines of code. We are simply initializing a variable, that's it. After that, I am creating my main class in which I will be creating an object from the classes. So I'm writing a code for my main class which is public static void main, and inside our main class I will be making an object for our variables. So in my main class, I'm going to create one object for my first variable because I want all of the variables to print on the terminal individually. So I'm going to write the name of the class, and I'm going to call this name of the object is object1, and now it's new class. Now I'm going to make an object of my second variable which is for y. So I have created an object of a second variable. Now I'm writing a comment to printing our values on our screen. Before printing our values on our screen, I need to tell you guys that this object is for x value and the other object is for y value, and then we will be creating one more object which will be object 3 for our sum value because we need to print out the sum. So I have made the object 3 which is for z value, like for sum, and after creating those objects we will be printing the values on our screen. So we will be simply write the code of simple is that system.out.println, and I want to print some message on my terminal, so I'm writing that value of x so that it will be easily understand that this is the value of x, and I'm going to write the name of the object that we have created .x. It is going to simply print the value of x. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the value of y, and after that I will be printing the sum of two numbers that we have created. So simply I'm doing the same thing. Now I'm printing the value of z on my terminal, so it will going to give out the message that sum of x and y is, and the value of z is going to be printed on the screen. Well, let's just run the code and see if it's working or not. So I have run the code, and if it's working fine because I have got this message on my terminal, I am changing the value, so check that if it's working fine. So it is working fine, it is giving me the right addition value. Now I am simply printing the message on the terminal that congrats guys that you have made your first Java class. I've got one Java program at the end of this video for practice, and if you do practice, please let me know in the comment below. I will be back with a new programming tutorial.